Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am your Neha ma'am and I welcome you all again in today's English class. Today we will be revising alphabet Y and Z with some pictures and jolly phonic song. And after that we will revise different patterns. So, let's first revise alphabet Y and Z. This is alphabet Y. Mama Y, baby Y, capital Y, small y. Y for yak. Y for yolk. Y for yo-yo. Y for yarn. Y for yacht. Y for yoga. Let's sing a jolly phonic song of alphabet Y. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. This is alphabet Z. Mama Z, baby Z, capital Z, small z. Z for zero. Z for zigzag. Z for zebra crossing. Z for zip. Z for zebra. Let's sing a jolly phonic song of alphabet Z. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz, a bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz, a bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Now, we will revise different patterns like standing line, slipping line, slanting lines, zigzag line, etc. with an interesting activity. So, are you all excited? Yes? Let's start. For this activity, we need a chart paper and some matchsticks. We will make different patterns by using matchsticks. So let's start our activity. First, we will make standing line. To make standing line, we will take one matchstick and put it in straight position. Now, take another one and arrange it near the first one in straight line. Now take another one, arrange it in straight line. Our standing line is ready. Now we will make slipping line. To make slipping line, we will start from the left side. Put one matchstick in slipping position. Now take another one, arrange it to the right side of the first one Take another one and arrange it near second one in sleeping line. Our sleeping line is ready. Now we will make slanting line from right to left. To make this line, we will take one matchstick, arrange it in slant position. Take another one and arrange it to the left side from the first one. Take another one and arrange it to the left side of second one in slant position. Our slanting line from right to left is ready. Now we will make slant line from left to right. To make this line, we will take one matchstick, arrange it in slant position. Take another one, arrange it to the right side of the first one. Take another one and arrange it to the right side of the second one in slant position. Our slanting line from left to right is ready. Now we will make another pattern. To make this pattern, first we will make slant line from right to left. Arrange matchstick in slant position from right to left. Now we will arrange matchstick from left to right position. Our pattern is ready. Now we will make the same pattern on opposite direction. To make this pattern, we will arrange matchstick from left to right in slant position. Now we will make slant line from right to left. Our pattern is ready. Now we will make zigzag line. To make this line, we will take one matchstick, arrange it in slant position from right to left. Now take another one, arrange it near first one from left to right in slant position. Now take another one, again arrange it in slant position near second one from right to left position. Again take one matchstick, arrange it in slant position from left to right. Take another one, again arrange it in slant position from right to left. Take one more and arrange it from left to right in slant position. Our zigzag line is ready. Children, you can practice these patterns by using different objects with the help of your parents. Hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Now, I will give you the solution of your practice worksheets. This is the solution of your first worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to trace the patterns and complete all the lines by drawing appropriate patterns. I hope you all have done the same. This is the solution of your second worksheet. In this worksheet also, you had to trace the patterns and complete the lines by drawing appropriate patterns. Hope you all have done the worksheets nicely. That's all for today. Keep watching the videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.